Please.
Okay, so on the topic of Rabbi Elon Anava, okay, so there was I was listening to Rabbi Reuben, and he mentioned something about a discrepancy about one of the lectures or that he had. I don't know if it was a lecture, if it was a shul, or if he was speaking. It was one of the videos that he had on YouTube posted where he was speaking.
Mm-hmm.
He mentioned some things about like Bill Gates being a woman, like other different things that were kind of interesting. I didn't understand what the concepts were, and then he mentioned some other stuff about the coronavirus and the vaccine and you know New World Order and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
And I was wondering, is this something that is allowed, or like donate support it because of it?
I would say that that's like, so you disconnected for some time, right? So I was saying that I had this student of mine that like it was two years ago when Corona just started, and he asked me to listen to this Rabbi Elon Nava, and he was saying about the New World Order, 5G, the government is taking out, what should we do, this and that. And he would give gematrias from Zohar, from this. I mean, for me, I asked this, I told this student not to waste his time. I'm telling you right now. Because why, like, especially the student, I mean, very nice person, right? But he never finished in his life, until that time, the parsha of the week. So he did not know what the Chumash says. Okay, so and now you're going to learn Zohar, especially these controversial things. Like, why would you need that? You understand? So here in this class, for example, this class specifically, we were talking about practical halachah. What you must do today on Shabbos and holidays, like how you go to the bathroom, how you say the blessing before the bread, after the bread. So it's very, very practical. So unless you know all of these things things that are going to be asked of you, right? Why don't you do it after 120 years when person dies? All of these questions are asked why you violated this halacha, why you violated that halacha. You understand? So now when person say, yeah, but I know that Bill Gates was a woman. Okay, so they're going to send me to the very hot place. You understand? So we're trying to stay away of all these theories and stuff like that about New World Order. I mean, I'm surprised he's still talking about it, but all of this questionable thing. I mean, we have our Talmud, we have our Shulchan Aruch, we have our Chumash, we have our Tovia and stuff like that. So we have enough Torah until the year 3 million minimum. You understand? If you learn from the beginning to the end, so we don't need all of these other things that like make people like lectures popular, like how many clicks they're going to get because of the title, Mashiach this, Mashiach that. So I would say stay away, basically.
So yeah, so basically, making donations and stuff would be just you wouldn't want to do that.
No. So I mean I about the donation I just answered. So I know like many people. I'm not talking about him. I don't know how he uses money, but many people they just simply misuse the money. So they take the money and buy themselves things or support their family or support this and support that. You understand? So, but invest in a good company that produces results that helping people. Understand? So that's I was saying that's the company of our company, Beezrat Hashem, helping many people spiritually and physically, financially. Okay. So any other questions? If you want, I can send you Blinner whenever I have time. I have a next class starting soon. There's a list of causes that you can donate. Go ahead.
Wait, I couldn't understand what you were saying. You were saying you could send what?
the list of the causes in in our organization that you can donate. So we're trying to build yeshiva, so we need money. We're trying to release a movie now, Gehinom, like 3 hours movie. I don't know if you're aware of it. So we just released a trailer not too long ago. We're trying to feed poor people in Israel. We're trying to sponsor kollel, this and that, like many things that you can see clearly where your money is going to. You understand? And it's I would recommend to invest in this organization, as I recommend, because that's what I do. That's what I do.